I'm just going to upload the autoform files to my forum. Going to have to upload them to the root forum directory that my forum's installed on, using FileZilla there. Going to go ahead here and run the install file, install.php. What this does is it makes the necessary database changes, create some tables to store information. That's that done now. Go head back to the forum. And if you look down here, you'll see I have only the administrator as the user. There's no fresh users registered on this forum. So let's give you a quick demonstration here. Head off to the user interface, and I'm going to use this to add 10 unique users. And of course these users are fetched from Yahoo Answers using search terms you specify. There's 10 there. Just show you all the ones I've added. Going to go add a few more. Recommend at least 50 users before you start posting. See, it's ignored a user there because it's already existed. Do this a couple more times to get more users. And let's head back. Get a quick refresh here and show you. Now you can see got our 50 users. Right, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of posting now. This is the user interface here. Let's go enter a term. Let's do some NASCAR racing here. We have a car themed forum. Let's have 8 threads posted. And I'll quickly show you how to get the destination forum ID. That's the F parameter of viewforum.php for your forum. If you look up at the address bar, you'll see it's F equals 4. So 4 is the destination ID. Just going to go enter that on our user interface. And we want to have just all our posts approved and the question marks removed should they be there. Hit post here and let it run away here. It'll take a wee while depending on what sort of spec your server is and what the settings you entered are. That's us done now. Click refresh. And there we go. This has got 10 posts added there. As you can see, they're all registered at unique times. I will have plenty of replies, and you'll see that we've actually got boosted view counts. Of course, you can specify what range of views you get there. Currently that's set to anywhere between I think it's 0 and 200 there. And look, different times for each post. And each user here registered at unique times. Post counts updated there. Let's go head back, add a few more. Let's give that a run. So it doesn't do duplicate posting, so it'll find 10 more fresh posts. And this time, fire it away there. Just let it grind off. There we go, that's just got another 10 posts in there. Again, unique times for each post, view counts boosted. Now what I'm going to show you here is the feature of the autoform that allows you to manually approve posts added, so they don't become publicly viewable as soon as you post them. You then go and choose which ones you want to approve, which ones you want to view there. Now it's important here that you log out the form before you do this method, because phpbb does have a tendency of getting confused here. There we go, just checking there. F parameters 2 for this form. Head over here and choose our search terms. We go for some Formula 1 racing posts here. Let's have 3 into form 2. And yeah, Vista, that's nice. Or 7 rather. Just almost get in the way there. What we want to do is we want to have no approve, and we're going to remove the question mark. Some posts, some content fetched will have the question marks at the end of the titles, but in my opinion it's a bit unprofessional, but I'll just demonstrate. You may want to keep them here, so I'll show you how it can keep the question mark intact on the post subject. Refresh here, and you'll see that the posts are not publicly viewable. They still need to be approved by a moderator, so I'll just log into my administrator account here. And you'll see that the posts are now viewable to the moderators and administrators, but not to the public. So I'm going to go ahead here and approve them, just using PHP's generic method through the moderator control panel. See, all the posts still required to be approved. I'll approve the topics, and then I'll go approve the posts. And of course you can always have this auto poster being done on a cron job, have it done automatically. For example, you might have 10 users added every 3 hours and 3 posts added every hour. I'm just going to log out there. And now you see we've got posts. These posts are accessible to the public now. And the new statistics. See, the question mark is still intact in the first post there. It has not been removed because you specify not to. And there's our new statistics. New posts, new users.